Hello viewers, assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. How are you guys? Hope you are all on behalf of Master Video and congratulations to all. Hello viewers, I have brought a new video in the channel. This video how to amazing resize an image in Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop Express 2022 and Master Video. Then I will explain the video in today how to do. Before starting the video, I would like to say that those are the new to my channel. Please subscribe the channel and like, comment, share on the pen circle. And so your great motivation this video comment inshallah. So start the video without delay. Stay with me. So friends, resize image in Photoshop and Express 2022 and Master Video. And first off, choose an image. Chosen an image, then open your file, then any kinds of picture. Then I will explain, show the video and before the desktop and photo and set, and I will show you. This is the continue. Then open, then I will explain the video in the picture is image and showing. So measure and width and height. Width and height in a pixel does not matter, but you will plan or to use online or the inch or centimeter or pixel. For image and print, keep the link icon, highlight the picture and preserve and position. This is automatically adjust. Okay, height and the change the and width and the vice versa. Okay, the select the picture and mouse right button click and the resize option or resize the Adobe Photoshop the photo pad and resize. Okay, this is the any choice and kinds of choice. Okay, then the keep and aspect ratio. Okay, this is the tick mark all the remove, then the pixel and inch, then percentage, then centimeter, then millimeter. Okay, then any can this choice and any idea, then YouTube size and video size and or thumbnail size 180, then 720. Okay, this is the apply for the picture. This is the highlight the picture. Okay, this is the highlight the picture. Okay, this is the highlight the picture. Then this is the picture. So select and resample to change the number of the to pixel the image or the change of the image size. Then click, then the resize or picture resize or pixel, then image software and apps resize. Then the and keep the aspect and ratio and tick mark without, then totally image working done, the apply. Okay, this is the okay, then click okay. Then so no more today. Those are still subscribe my channel and subscribe very quickly and the bell icon button and new video with us this kinds of new video. But inshallah, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.